Hello students, the question is from DBMS and it is a common data type question, common data question. So the common data given here is they have given a query out here. I will write that query. Select S dot S name from student S where S dot S roll not in select R dot S roll from record R where okay. Yeah, here bracket is not there, sorry. Where what r dot pid not in select p dot pid from project p where p dot subject not only database, right? Database. So we know that, and we have to find out the two questions are given as assume that relation corresponding to the above schema are not empty. So which one of the following is the correct interpretation of the above query? So we have to find out the interpretation of the query. And in the next question, it is given that each student within a district has a unique name. Okay, means S dot name and district will form a candidate key, means whatever the S name they are having with their district name will be the candidate key, and no other functional dependency are employed other than those employed by the primary and candidate key. So which one of the following is true for the above schema? Okay, so this is the query given out here. So just work it off. We know that firstly the inner query will be executed. So what is the inner query? Select p dot pid from the project p. Say that there are three schemas. Okay, here is in student, then there is a record, then there is a project. Three schemas are right. Three schemas are related, right? Student, record, and project. So just say there is a p.pid and there is a project name, p name. Okay, let's say it is 001, 002, 003, 04, and so on. Some XYZ project is there. Say there is a database project. Okay, now this one is what? Say anything, it is maps like multicast authentication, batch signature project, anything you can take. Fine, so many projects are there. Now what we have to do is first we have to select a PID from the project P, like where the P dot subject. Okay, one more column will be there, that is the P dot subject. Subject is not a database, right? So this is a project of database, so we will select, say I'm selecting, this is not a database project, so I have selected 001. This will be the p.pid value. Okay, now this will be executed. This will be, because it is not a database, this 002 is a database project, right? So this 001 is selected. Now where now the second query is what? Select r dot s roll number from record r where the r dot pid not in. Okay, so let's say there will be also this will be r dot pid will be there, then there will be a s r dot s roll number. Okay, and which should not be there in what? Which should not be there in this one, that pid should not be mentioned here. Okay, say there is a pid 00 this one 4 is there, 003 is there, 002 is there. Okay, 001 is the 005. So r dot s dot roll number we have to select, right? Where the rpid is not in. Say this roll number is 111. Okay, since this PID is not there in this one, so this s dot roll number will be selected. Okay, 111. Now the student data will contain many things, and we have to find out what. Now this query will come. Select s dot name from student s where s dot roll number is not there. Now 111. Okay, here all 004, 003, 002. this will be the roll number. Sorry, roll number is there. No, sorry, it is the s dot roll number. So it will be, say this is uh 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, then it is 102, then it is 1 1 1 1 0 3. Okay, so we have to select what s dot roll number which is not there in record r. So all are there. This in this also, this one is there, 101 is there, 102 is there, 1 1 is there, only 103 is not there. So s dot roll number will be what, 103. Okay, so this is not there in record. Okay, this is not there in this one, so that name will be selected. Okay, which is not having only, which will not do only the database project. Okay, so it can do multiple, it can be involved. So the final conclusion will be, one student may involve in many projects. Okay, or not only in the database projects, many projects, not only in database project. And one more conclusion is there, one project can be done by many students, right? One project can be done by many students. Here also project name will be there, right? See, I have selected somebody like 103. We're already having PID. He is doing some project name, say MEBS. So that will be selected. He is also doing this one, and that will roll number will be this one. So say this 102 will also do the same. Okay. So I will select the student. I can select the student. This query will result in, we can select the student which involved in many project, and one project can be done by many student, not only the database project. Okay. So which option is matching? We have to find the names of all students who have worked in a non-database project. No, this is not correct. Now, names of all students who have not worked in a non-database related project. No, this is also not true. Find the names of all students who have worked only in database project. No. Now, find the names of all students who have not worked in only database related project. So, the fourth statement is matching. So, answer will be D. Now, in the second option, you can see that they have given this one, S name plus district name as a candidate key, right? As a candidate key. In the second part, I'm explaining the second part, candidate key. Now in this one, in this one, in 1NF, you know that 1NF is what, 1NF is, if R is a relation xy, then there should be not, this value should not be a relation, means x, there should not be a relation like this. So that will be a 1NF. If I say it is a 2NF, then in 2NF or one, every 1NF there should be like that, that will be the super key. Means if x I am tending is x y, y z w, and function is from x y z. Okay, so this only will determine, this will be fully dependent on x. Okay, this will be fully dependent on x, so this will be the primary key. Okay, and that will be in the 2NF. Okay, now in 3NF the tribal dependency will be satisfied. So this is also not true, and this given that functional dependency are implied other than those implied by primary and candidate key. No other function. Okay, so that functional dependency will give the primary, and candidate key will come only in the BCNF, Boyce coded normal form. So since it is a candidate key thing, so it will come in BCNF. So the answer will be A. Okay, thank you.